Welcome to Building Paradise. We are an official Derksen Portable Building dealer on the south side of San Antonio, Texas. You may contact us at our website, give us a call, email us, or visit our lot. Our website is up and running at buildingparadise.tx.com. Once you're on our homepage, you can see the different types of buildings that we offer. If you'd like to see those in more detail, you can click on the Buildings tab and choose the building you're interested in. It will show you the different features for those buildings. We even have specialty buildings such as chicken coops, greenhouses, and dog kennels. The feature that I want to highlight today, though, is our virtual shed builder. So if you will return to the homepage, down at the very bottom of our homepage, there is a button that says Build My Virtual Shed. Once you click that button, a new window will open that has our Derksen 3D configurator. You simply will select the state where the building will be delivered and click Start Building. Over to the right is a panel that has all the different options for designing your own custom building. We're going to choose utility today, and then a lofted utility. We can change the type of siding we'd like, if you're wanting treated wood or metal, or the painted siding. We can select metal roof or shingles. We can change our roof pitch. We can add a roof overhang if you'd like to create a gable. Then there are insulation options, such as a spray foam package or felt paper on the roof. I highly recommend at least doing the felt paper on the roof if you're here in Texas with our very hot summers. You can then select the size of your building and change that around. And then we get to our exterior options. Let's say you don't like the door that is on there, or you want to change that. Simply click on the door and you can either change the options for that door, or you can remove it entirely and choose a different door. So let's just add to demonstrate the single door. And then if I'd like to change the options on that door, I simply click on it and I can add some windows at the top, the 4 lights, or even a 9 light. If I like that, you can even change the hinge location. And then let's say I want to add a window over here on this side of the building. So I'm going to click that side of the building and add my window. You can even drag it around if you'd want it closer up to the front of the building. Let's say I want it there in the center. Again, you can click on the window to change the options for that window. Let's say I changed my mind and I'd want to remove that. I simply click on that pencil-shaped icon and then click Remove. Then we can come to our colors. You can select your roof color, your siding color, and also your trim color. We have quite a few color choices for the roof, siding, and the trim on those buildings. If you'd like to view all sides of the building, you can click right or left and it will rotate the image for you. And then we get to our flooring choices. So we have several choices there. And we can even add electrical options, such as outlets, switches, breaker boxes, and lighting. So those are all different options and packages that are offered. Once you close that out, it will go back to the exterior view of the building. Once you have completed your design, I highly recommend that you email us your link, simply because we can give you a more accurate price based on your location and where the building will be delivered. So once your design is finished and you have it the way that you would like it, simply click the email link, that red button at the top or the bottom of the right-hand panel, complete the information and then just click that box saying that you understand this design is only for Derksen buildings, and then click email link again, and that will send it directly to Building Paradise, where we can assist you with the pricing. So that is our 3D configurator. I hope that helps if you are wanting a custom designed building.